Hello everyone, I am Akash and you're watching Nutshell Programming. So we are very close to finish our all Python tutorials videos, and here we have another video right here, so which is also about the class and objects. So in this video I have a class which is student, and here I have defined the init function which is initialize function, and we have three parameters: name, measure and GPA. And here I have created the object file.py where I have just imported the student class right down here, and we have two student which is student 1 and student 2. So student 1 name is Ram and business and 4.5 its data, and we have student 2 also there. So here in our previous video we have just used the initialize function, but in this video I'm going to use another function in the class, and I'm going to define honor call self. So this is our second function. Our first function is initialize function which is init, and our second function which is honor call. So I'll set the condition inside this function: if self.gpa is greater than n equal 4.0, then return true value, else return the false value. So by using this function I'm just want a simple statement true and false. If student's GPA is 4.0 and it is greater than 4.0, then it will definitely go for the false value. So in the class we have student and the function init and the honor call function. So just come to our main file which is object file.py. So we have our student 1 and student 2. Student 1 is Ram and student 2 is John. Here I am going to use the print statement where I will just call that function from that student class. So in our previous video we just called the .gpa from the class, but in this video we are just calling whole the function which is honor call from the class with the help of the object. So student 1 dot honor call, and you can see our first student GPA is 4.5. so our when I run this program our value is true. So our honor call function is working properly. It is just giving us the value which is 2. I'll remove an student 1 and I'll put down student 2 right down and run this program. So you can see our value of GPA is false. So you can see we are just using one function, one honor call function. By just the help of that honor call function we are just accessing all the information about the GPAs of our student 1 and student 2. So here we have our student class. We have just defined the init function. Below down here we have just defined the honor call function where we can set the conditions and we can access the data of the student 1 and student 2. And here in the object file.py we have just called the honor call function. So it's very easy to use any function in the class, and you can also call that function through the object. So that was all about this video. I just want to tell you that you can also use any other function in your class and you can access the information by the object. So it was all about this video. If you enjoyed it, please give a thumbs up. If you want to watch more videos, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.